Hey guys, today let's learn how to unread messages on Instagram on your iPhone. So if you guys are wondering how to basically unread your messages on your Instagram application on the iPhone device, this is going to be pretty easy if in the case that you have already read their message and you want to go ahead and basically mark that as unread. You can easily go ahead and do this by going on your Instagram application, accessing your inbox option, and long pressing on the specific chat, or basically swiping from the right to the left or the other way around. But basically, if that option isn't showing by doing that, you could easily go ahead and proceed with muting them, or if in the case that you could go ahead and basically mark this conversation as unread, you could also go ahead and do that. But if in the case that that option isn't available for you guys to do, what we could also go ahead and do as of another option besides this is to go on over on our profiles over here and then tap on our options to create a professional account. Now, why is that? Because that is going to give us more options as to a personal account. So if in the case that you want to go ahead and unread a message on your Instagram application, make sure you convert your Instagram account to a professional one first, and you are going to have much more options, including that option to mark this conversation unread. You can go ahead and do that. Basically, I do have tutorials on how to convert your personal account to a professional account on this channel. So go ahead and basically look for that yourselves. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.